Okay, I'm attorney William Moore, and here are some interesting death penalty facts. The Supreme Court of the United States ruled it unconstitutional to impose the death penalty on persons who are under the age of 18 at the time of the offense. The first execution by electrocution, the electric chair, was in 1890. If a rope used for hanging is too long, it can result in beheading. The first woman to die in the electric chair was executed in 1899 at New York's Sing Sing prison. Family members of the victim and the killer are permitted to witness the execution where that killer has been sentenced to death. Texas was the first state to perform an execution by lethal injection. And where execution by lethal injection is being performed, an antiseptic wipe is used to cleanse the injection site on a prisoner's arm prior to their being killed. Okay, I'll give you some interesting death penalty facts. Jurors in Washington state are 3 times more likely to recommend a death sentence for a black defendant than for a white defendant in a similar case. In Louisiana, the odds of a death sentence were 97% higher for those whose victim was white than for those whose victim was black. A study in California found that those who killed whites were over 3 times more likely to be sentenced to death than those who killed blacks, and over 4 times more likely than those who killed Latinos. A comprehensive study of the death penalty in North Carolina found that the odds of receiving a death sentence rose by 3.5 times among those defendants whose victims were white. In 96% of the states where there have been reviews of race and death penalty, there was a pattern of either race of victim or race of defendant discrimination or both. Those are some interesting death penalty facts. I'm William Moore.